Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Simpex 406 LED lights. These are LED lights used for both photo and video shoots. These are compact LED lights. Okay, the temperature for these lights lie between 3200K to 5600K. Okay, this comes with dual colors as mentioned earlier and does not have barn doors. And that's more or less all the information on the box. There is an image of, there's a photo of the back side of the box and the front side of the box. And that's all the information we have. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. First, we have a battery. This is a Simpex 7.4 volt 2200 mAh LED 320 battery. So this is what powers these lights. Charging adapter for this particular battery. So basically, you're supposed to fit this particular battery over here and then charge it. 1 second. Here. This way. You're supposed to fit it like this and charge it. So notice this particular port over here. So this particular cable is for this particular purpose. The idea is that you recharge this battery using this particular charger. This is a mount on which this particular light can stand. You can fit this particular light on top of this like so. There you go. Basically, it's as simple as that. And there you go. It's tight. It's pretty tight now. And this is the Simpex LED 406 light. This is good for both photo shoots and video shoots. Notice that there are elements for two kinds of colors here, 3200 and 5200. Am I right? No, 3200 and 5600K colors. So that's warm and cool tone both. There are two dials over here. Okay, so everything is written over here actually. So this is the on-off button. And the two dials here, one controls the 5600 Kelvin color temperature, then the other controls the 3200 Kelvin color temperature. So the idea is that once this is charged, you attach this battery to this particular place over here. You see the moment I attach it, it shows this. It's showing that this particular battery has charged and it's basically good to go right now. It was on to begin with, so now you know that it's glowing. I'm going to switch it off. So just turn it back on again. Here you see, I'm going to reduce. Okay, so this is the 3200 one. No, okay, so that's 3200. Okay, this is the 5200 light. So I'm going to dim it just a bit so you can see it. It's just slightly. It's not very bright right now. I am controlling the brightness so that you can see, because if I increase the brightness too much, it's all going to burn out. So this is the 5200. This is the 5600 Kelvin dial, and this is the 3200 Kelvin dial. So when I turn this on, you will be able to see the warm tones as well. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Simpex 406 LED light. Thank you for watching.